How to share a CapCut project on mobile. First off, we can start by opening up CapCut application. And I already have some projects here listed on my home screen. So let me just quickly go back here. And to find your projects, you can find the projects tab at the bottom right. And I already have some projects here. So what I'm going to do is, let's say if I want to share this first project that's on my screen, you want to go over to the edit tab at the bottom, go to space, and you need to go ahead and select a space over here. So I'll just select this existing space, and you can also add a video over here. To add a video, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right, then tap on upload media. You can select any media from your phone, but if you want to upload it from your project, then what you need to do is just go back and go to your project. From your project, you just have to long press on it or tap on the three dots. And then basically, you just tap on upload to space, select your space, tap on select. You can also create a new folder or a new destination as well, but I'll just leave it there and go to space from edit. Your video now should be there. Now, once you have successfully updated your space, you can easily share this by tapping on the three dots. And from there, you'll have an option to share. Just tap on the plus icon at the top, and you can easily copy the link here, and you and your friends can work on the same project at the same time. That's basically it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.